Say hi guys! So for today's video guys ay pupunta kami dyan guys sa Seascape Seafood Restaurant. Dyan kami kakain guys. Ayan. Ito yung view ng labas ng Seascape Seafood. Ayan. Hi! Say hi to people. Excited ka na? Papunta na kami guys sa loob. Yeah. Nagkain kami ng lunch guys. Saktong lunch yung ano natin arrive. Airplane. Godzilla ng customer. Ano nga ito kuya? Lapu-lapu.
Sweet and sour pwede ito.
Sweet and sour.
Libre
na yan ano?
Ang paluto, bayaran lang. Bibili kayo dito tapos papaluto. Pareha sa dampa, ma'am.
Kasi dumaan kami dati dito.
Hindi yun na ano dito. Pwede lang kayo tumuhin. Maganda lang sa dampa. Look at this. Look at this.
Malaki ng pusit.
Yeah, just choose anyone that you're gonna eat. Seafood, you said seafood.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat seafood.
Lagay na si kuya.
They will cook now, no? We're gonna eat this one.
Yes.
Only that one?
No, we will try another one.
Shrimp, butter garlic,
Shrimp.
tempura.
Ano pa ba? Paano sila yung
No, she's the one who choose.
Yung bakla, yung malapad, yung babae lagi. Bakla na lang kayo.
Crab Franco. We will try crab.
Yeah.
Yung isang malaki na lang, ibigay mo ano para...
Oo, isang malaki.
Kasi may sinabi. Dok.
Pero hindi ako masyadong ano sa crab.
Ay, ito yung nakilala ko nito kasi malaki.
That's good. This one is the same as this, no?
But this one, sir, much better for grill with buttered diamond sauce, or you like a Singaporean chili.
Yeah, this one.
This one's good. Trust me.
Why she don't want to buy that one?
But this one, you really buy.
Which one?
Good.
It's the same?
Yeah, same.
What is that? That
But
one.
this one's salt water and this one's fresh water. But we have a more delicious for salt water, sir.
Salt water. Yes, Irene. Why you didn't get the salt water? It's much better. That's we use too much this one. No, you buy always in the market. But you suppose this one.
Grill with buttered diamond sauce.
Yeah, kunti lang yan kuya.
This one with butter.
Hindi lang dalawa ang ano.
Hindi, dalawang piraso lang.
Oo, kasi
Ito yung maganda ito mataba.
kakainin mo.
Ito maganda ito matabad na lang. Kaluti. Sabaw gusto ko. Pwede na yun, dalawang tao. Kasi upsell pa naman yun.
Magkano to kalate?
Malaki.
Transport mo lang.
Minimum charge kasi yun.
Sige yan naman.
Sabaw gusto
Bakit may lapu-lapu?
Hindi. Nakita ko naman.
Ito, saka ito. Saka ito.
Tsaka yung speed.
Saka ito. Okay na to, Franco? Apat?
Franco.
Asan na lang?
Ito.
Huh?
Double fry.
Ay, huwag na yan.
Irene, you don't want this fish. You don't want fish on your table, no? Wala. Only squid. Yeah, hold it.
Natin ipaluto. Ha? Saan po ipaluto, kuya? Doon? Ah.
Ako sa'yo, mahilig ko mag-ano. Sarap ko agapin. Bit dry on cash. Okay, thank you.
Let's go. Sa crabs. Ano ba normally sa crabs? Punta na kami sa loob, guys. Papaluto na namin. Mas maganda dito mamaya dyan. Maganda.
Ano magkano?
Oo. Oo, dali na. I don't know. Naghihintay kami guys ng pagkain ng pinapaluto pa namin. Ito pa lang yung pagkain namin guys. Kasi nagpapaluto pa kami ng seafood. Ayan. Gutom ka na?
A few moments later.
Food namin! Scallops. At saka buttered shrimp. Squid and the fish and the crab. No, we will wait for that. Ayan yung order namin guys na pinaluto namin. Crab. Tsaka fish. And scallops and shrimp. Asan na yun? Fish.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami dyan kami kumain sa loob guys. So, tapos dito kami sa labas ngayon. Tapos na kami kumain. Naglalaro-laro muna yung mga kids. Yan. Family day. Family time. Ah. Hey! Laki ng snowman, no? Nagpa-ano si kuya ng snowman. Hala! Maano to? I want to go down. Alright. Uy! Uy! Uy, may ba? I don't like this. Stop now. I don't like this. Uy, I don't like this. Ayun na. Naglalaro pa rin yung kids. No? You said you're not enjoying, but you're eating too much. Yeah, because we pay too much. It's not my phone. It's other people. It's raining. Let's go to another mall. Diyan tayo sa Mazo. Inside Mazo. Ano? Airplane, oh, airplane. This is the famous one before. This building. Oh, ang daming multo dyan, oh. Ito! Yay! Maaga kaming natapos kumain dito sa Seascape Restaurant, guys. So, ngayon pupunta kami ng
Fresh seafood.
yeah, Seascape Fresh Seafood. Ngayon, pupunta kaming MOA. Dito na tayo sa loob ng MOA. No? This is the inside of MOA Mall of Asia. Papasyal-pasyal lang kami dito.
Oh, there.
Nahiya ka pa. Let's go home.